Hi there, students, and welcome to this presentation. This is all a bit new for me, so I'll just see what happens and talk you through this slideshow. This is about VTK, our student union. I'm going to give you a short explanation on how we work in this presentation. So, VTK is the student union for all engineering science students. And in this slideshow, I'm gonna tell you who we are, what is VTK, what we can do for you, and some of our activities. So VTK International consists of these people. You have me in the left corner, left upper corner, and then my team. We're all driven students engaged in making your stay here as useful as possible. We all followed the bachelor's program here, and we're trying to give you a good experience and help you in your difficulties here. So, what is VTK? Well, VTK, which means Vlaamse Technische Kring, translates in English to Flemish Technical Union. We are the student union of the Faculty of Engineering Science, and we have three main goals: support you in your studies, create and organize recreational activities, and support you in your basic needs and daily life here in Leuven. First off, studies. We provide information. We have our own bookstore where you can find and buy the books you need for your course. Also, we have a wiki. This is kind of like Wikipedia. You can find all sorts of useful information about your course there. Like, for example, how the classes are organized, what you can expect for your exam, and maybe even what your professor explicitly finds important in that certain course. So, when you're studying for your exams, you should always check these out. However, most of them are mostly Dutch, so you might need Google Translate for this. Secondly, we have our POC representation. What is POC, you say? Well, each of you follows a master's program, and in this master's program, there's one elected student who is in the meetings with professors about how to improve their course. So if you have any complaints about the course or any recommendations, then you should direct your recommendations to this POCer. And then lastly, we have a bureau. What is this bureau? Well, we have weekly meetings with the other student unions of Leuven where we discuss certain topics. And in order to make this discussion a well-found and well-sound discussion, we need your input in these VTK bureaus. Okay, what's interesting for you right now, so is this wiki, the QD, our bookstore, and of course the site you can find it all on, vtk.be. You can order your books from of Monday. Second off, support. So again, we have a group of students in our board that is dedicated to giving you information via all kind of channels. So we have a free monthly and weekly leaflet. For you guys, it's good to practice your Dutch a bit, but here you can find information about what's happening on the campus, some activities organized by us or other student unions that are interesting for us, news in general, or tips and tricks about what to do in Leuven. But yeah, as I said, this is mostly in Dutch, so you might need Google Translate again for this. Also, this communication team provides all the Facebook posts and Instagram posts. We have our own IT team, mainly visible on our website, vtk.be, and we have our own logistics team. We own a van to move things around, of course, and you can rent material from them, like audio systems or just sport stuff. So what to do on our websites? Well, first off, you can do your bookings at our Kudi, our bookstore, as I told you earlier. You can buy your textbooks here, your slides, but you can also buy pens or pencils or paper to write on. Secondly, you can order sandwiches for lunch. Each afternoon, we provide you with sandwiches made by our students. Which brings me to our next point, shifts. To make these sandwiches and also to help us in other activities, we need a lot of helping hands. And you can help us with that. And with that, you can earn coins. And with these coins, you can buy sandwiches or beverages in our bar. So definitely check it out. This brings me to our last part, our biggest part, let's say. It's the recreation, the organizing of activities. We organize a lot of activities, ranging from a prom to normal parties to tips and trips and visits of cultural sites. We also organize sporting events, quizzes, concerts, lectures, you name it. In our bar, we have a party every night, but due to the coronavirus and some renovations, we are unfortunately not allowed to open. Vakbar at Elixir is the name. Vakbar is a name you will hear more often in Leuven, and it means faculty bar, so don't get your dirty mind running there. Theokot is our sandwich bar, or our snack bar. You can chill here, hang out with friends, meet new people, but also buy your books because our cutie is in our Theokot. I told you before, Vakbart Elixir is our faculty bar with low prices and fully operated by our own Presidium team. It's not for profit. Actually, we lose money on it, but it's just for fun and for meeting new people. So now we are doing some renovations and we're waiting for permission to open. I hope this will be in the second semester. And we also organize sport activities. I don't know if you've noticed, but if you've heard about it, but we have a 24 hours run in Leuven. This is a very big student event. It's the biggest event of the year, and especially for us because we're concurrents for the first place, along together with one other union, Apollon. This is a competition, this run, between all student unions of all faculties, and the goal is to run as many laps with your union as you can. So if you're interested in running for our team, you should join the Facebook group VTK Sports. This year, due to the coronavirus, the 24 hours run is reduced to a 12 hours run, and also not every union races at the same time. We race together with our direct competitors, and other student unions will do the same. And we really need you on our running team. Last year, we lost with 3 laps. You say 3 laps, that's like 1.5 kilometers. But if you calculate it, in 24 hours and 1076 laps run, this is very small. So we need you if you're very fast and you can bring our average down. Then it might be fun for you also to be part of our victory. These are some photos about the 24 hours run. You can see all the crowds, and maybe you've even been to the place. It's the Gebouw de Nijer at the sporting faculty. What we do, it's an estafette race. Nobody really is an estafette racer, but we try our best. Okay, apart from sport activities and parties, we also organize some serious activities. On the left picture, you can see a picture of our job fair. Our job fair is organized in the second semester and is a big event where we invite tons of companies and startups to network with you guys. You can bring your resumes, your CVs, and you can even start a job interview there or look what's suiting for you. On the right-hand side, you can see a picture of a quiz we organized in the PDS Aula, the Pieter de Zomer. You probably had an information session there with Loco and ESN. Lastly, I added a photo of a lecture of a collaboration between the medical students, their union Medica, and our development team. They created an event, Health is X-Tech, where they pointed the relevance of technology and engineering in the medical world. So apart from the parties and the quizzes and the job fairs, we also organize lectures. To finish up, if you want to contact us, you can always mail to international@vtk.be. You can ask us any questions you're dealing with, and we might be able to help you out. You can find us on our website under Studies and then International. And most importantly, actually, you should really join our Facebook and our WhatsApp groups. What are these for? Well, we use these groups to give you means to contact each other and contact us with questions you may have. And also, we use these channels to give you information that is also in Het Bakske and the Iriel, our leaflets that are handed out weekly and monthly. So I have added a QR code to our Facebook group. I hope you can scan it. If not, the name is there listed. We also have a WhatsApp group, the same thing as for our Facebook group, but a little more direct. You can chat with fellow students here and maybe even ask if someone wants to get a drink or something or is in the neighborhood. And you can also ask questions there. As I told you, the link to the Telegram group will be posted there shortly. If you have questions, don't hesitate to mail, chat us, or post in our Facebook group. And thank you for your attention. I hope you're doing well and stay safe.